Bulldozers rolled into the Johannesburg CBD this week and tore into one of its most famous buildings. This is the Marble Towers Standoff. The city says illegal trading structures were built at the tower in defiance of a High Court order, so it sent in the demolition teams, with Metro Police on alert against looting. Traders scrambled to save their stock as the structures came down. The owners ran to court, and a judge halted the wrecking. Then, a deal. The city and the building's owners struck a court-backed settlement, with a joint inspection of the property over 72 hours. It is a truce, not a peace. And it is part of a bigger war, the city's crackdown on hijacked and non-compliant buildings across the CBD. One tower, one battle. The fight for Joburg's inner city is just beginning. You decide. Follow Mzansi Unfiltered.